Alright, so we're going with the 3, 2, 1. So what we got 2 racks of St. Louis style ribs. Cut them in half, just make it easier for me. Then we put the barbecue Texas rib rub from Bill over here. Chicken fried barbecue. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. If you want some of this, I'll leave a link below. Y'all can go check them out. 3, 2, 1. What does it mean? Naked ribs for 3 hours, wrap for 2, unwrap for 1. 3, 2, 1. 6-hour cook. We're going to see what it takes. We're going to see how many pellets it takes to do this 6-hour cook. This is the first time I've done 3, 2, 1 in my Z grills. And we'll be back in 3 hours. And I'll show you how I wrap them. And what I put in it. Yeah. Alright, we're an hour and a half in, and that's where we're at. Alright, we're 2 hours in, set on 2:25, and it's at 2:30. That's what we got. We'll be back in an hour. It ain't bad. It's supposed to be 2:25. It's 2:18, 2:19. Let's look at it. I gotta let y'all in on a little secret. My secret. These ain't gonna be 3, 2, 1. I took me a little nap. I missed the alarm. They've been on for 4.5 hours. So this is a 4.5. I'm gonna wrap them for an hour. So it's not gonna be a 3, 2, 1. You always improvise because you can always overtake your cook and do anything with it. You don't have to add every ingredient and cook it exactly this way, that way, everything else. You don't have to do that. But make it edible. Eatable, edible. I'm still waking up. Alright, so right now I think I'm gonna wrap them. Let's wrap them. Let's wrap them. I'll show you. I'm not gonna wrap them. I'm just going to put some a Sweet Baby Ray's on 2 of them for about 35-45 minutes. Let's see. Alright, so 4.5 hours in, what I did is I sauced up that one, and I sauced up that one, and I'm going to leave these 2 dry, and I used Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar. You gotta love brown sugar. Gigi's in there making her world famous beans, and I guarantee you there's brown sugar in that. I saw them sitting on the counter. Yeah. We're gonna take this baby right there. We're gonna doctor it up just a little bit. Alright, so what we're gonna do on this one, we're just gonna put a little brown sugar around it. Doesn't want to come out. There it goes. Like so. And we're going to put a little honey on it. As so. We're going to leave it faced up like that. And all that will disappear. We'll get it on the grill and we'll be back. About 45 minutes to go. Alright. I haven't been making videos lately, so I had the camera off. So what I just did, I flipped these 2 over. Like that. Yeah. My lighting's not right over here. So what I did, these things look beautiful. So what I did is I turned them upside down to get that barbecue sauce kind of caked into them, which I like. We get that done. I put this around. That baby just sitting there. We'll be back in 28 minutes. All right. Turned out awesome. Check it out. Alright, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to wrap each one of these bad boys up and let them set for about 30 minutes. We'll plate it up. I'll show you each one of them. We'll go through it here in just a second. Yeah. That's the one you want to see. Yeah. Alright, so here's the outcome of my ribs. Let's check this one out. She's steaming, y'all. She's steaming. Woo! Let's go in here and do a cut. Let's go in here and do a cut. Nothing wrong with that. Woo! Alright, let's look at the next one. This was just the bare. Nothing special. This was the glazed one. Woo! Fall off the bone. Alright, the finale. That's all we got. Meat in the middle's done. We got some smoke ring on it. We done. Yeah.